bad chick, I could be a fantasy. I could tell you got big, big energy. It ain't too many of them that can handle me.
Crazy curvy, wavy, big titties, little waist. Body crazy curvy, wavy, big titties, little waist. Body yada 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 yada. Look at how I bodied that, ate it up and gave it back. Yeah, you look good, but they still wanna know we're making that. Saucy like a barbecue, but you won't get your baby back. See me in that dress and he felt like he almost tasted that. Num 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 num, eat it up. 4 play, okay, 3, 2, 1. You know I'm the hottest. You ain't never gotta heat me up. I'm present when I'm absent, speaking when I'm not there. All them bitches scary cats, I call them Carol Baskin. Body yaddy, 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 body yaddy. Big titties, little waist, body crazy curvy, wavy, big titties, little waist, body crazy curvy, wavy, big titties, little waist, body crazy curvy, yada yada yada. Look at how I ever need, they gon' click it if it's me. All my pictures been getting these niggas through the quarantine. Bitch, I'm very well on my shit, as you can tell. Any hoe got beef from years ago is beefing by herself. If we took a trip on the real creep tip, bitch, rule number 1 is don't repeat that shit. Rule number 2, if they all came with you, they better know exactly what the fuck they came to do. Body yaddy, body yaddy, body yaddy, body yaddy,
Yeah. Look. I pity the nigga that stepped to me though. Flow too clean, I'm bite by new tuxedos. Been the shit since 9 later, popping and buying hot Cheetos. Shit a free throw, easy. Please believe me, baby. Bought a Tesla, bought a Rolex watch, and I ain't dreaming, baby. Scheming, maybe. Dina raised me. Really from the section with them killers, drug dealers, thug niggas. Never got a help from pops, they need some love, nigga. Liquor messing, not the pain, so pull up, nigga. Not too far from it, everything I done seen and done it. Late night running, hitting houses and police cuffing. We ain't have nothing, house was cold, we were open oven. Now we eating good, just hold ice, let's put buns in oven. Bakeries, linked up with Quentin and started making cheese. Sushi overseas, the server, she speaking Japanese. Flights to Paris, I'm at the Louvre to see Mona Lisa. Got a Sonata with ripped seats and oil leaks. Kicking shit like Messi, little nigga, you shouldn't test me. Right so good, just started working on my lefty. I'll be climbing up the charts if these niggas let me. Getting everything that's mine, I'm charging niggas levies. Fuck relaxing, man, I stay in action. Natural believer got me feeling like Imagine Dragons. 2017, I quit my job because it had to happen. Make my daughter proud, look at me, or this your daddy rapping. Ooh. Let me hear that back. I just said that, ain't nobody else in the studio but me. I record myself, and I make the beat. Bitch!
Real hot girl shit. It ain't always about what you like, sometimes it's about what's right. I'd rather be a B-I-T-C-H, cause that's what you gon' call me when I'm trippin' anyway. You know you can't control me, baby. You need a real one in your life. Them bitches ain't gon' give it to you, right? I'd rather be a B-I-T-C-H, cause that's what you gon' call me when I'm trippin' anyway. You know you can't control me, baby. You need a real one in your life. Them bitches ain't gon' give it to you, right? How you wanna play with me? You know I'm undefeated. A real hot girl know how to keep a nigga heated. You say you won't respect or treat me how you wanna be treated. You told me to keep it real, but you don't practice what you preaching. You want me to blow your phone up and come and looking for you till I find you. You really want me to book the hoe that you fucking with if I find her. Bitch, you ain't that busy, I don't give a fuck what you ain't got time for. You look me in my eyes and know you lying, man, that's far, bro. And you knew I was a player for you, made me need to relax. You know that you gon' hate me if I get the play and get back. I ain't turning to no bad bitch when you met me, boy, I been there. You tryna make me something that I ain't, and I ain't with that. I'd rather be a B-I-T-C-H, cause that's what you gon' call me when I'm trippin' anyway. You know you can't control me, baby. You need a real one in your life. Them bitches ain't gon' give it to you, right? I'd rather be a B-I-T-C-H, cause that's what you gon' call me when I'm trippin' anyway. You know you can't control me, baby. You need a real one in your life. Them bitches ain't gon' give it to you, right? I got my mind on getting paid. We ain't spoken some days. He probably thinking I'm in pain, but I'm really on game. Ain't no nigga finna stop me. Independent, I got me. All the shit that I be needing can't depend on the probably. And that's fucked up cause you know that I don't fuck with nobody. I be quiet, but you out here telling stories one-sided. I ain't perfect and I try to fix the shit that ain't working, but it's 2020. I ain't finna argue about twerking. Since you wanna test them waters, might as well jump in with both feet. If you leave me and you see me, better act like you don't know me. If you think it should get better with another bitch, go get her. When you realize she ain't got you like I got you, I'd rather be a B-I-T-C-H, cause that's what you gon' call me when I'm trippin' anyway. You know you can't control me, baby. You need a real one in your life. Them bitches ain't gon' give it to you, right? I'd rather be a B-I-T-C-H, cause that's what you gon' call me when I'm trippin' anyway. You know you can't control me, baby. You need a real one in your life. Them bitches ain't gon' give it to you, right? I'd rather be a B-I-T-C-H, cause that's what you gon' call me when I'm trippin' anyway.